Welcome to our journey through the solar system. Today, we'll explore the unique characteristics of each planet, from the smallest to the largest. Fasten your seatbelts as we blast off on a cosmic adventure that will take us millions of miles away from our home, Earth. Get ready to witness the awe-inspiring beauty and mind-boggling phenomena that make each planet a world of its own. Our first stop brings us to Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. This tiny world, only slightly larger than our Moon, is a realm of extremes. Imagine a place where the Sun blazes fiercely, turning the surface into a furnace that can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But as soon as the Sun sets, the temperature plummets to a frigid minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, colder than the coldest night on Earth. Mercury is a planet of stark contrasts, a barren world with a tenuous atmosphere or exosphere made up of particles blasted off its surface by the relentless solar wind. Its surface is heavily cratered, a testament to billions of years of bombardment from asteroids and comets. Despite its harsh conditions, Mercury is a fascinating world, and its proximity to the Sun makes it a prime target for astronomers studying the effects of our star's immense energy. Next, we journey to Venus, our nearest planetary neighbor and often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a world of scorching heat, crushing pressure, and a toxic atmosphere that would extinguish life as we know it in an instant. Shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, Venus traps the Sun's heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Imagine a world where the surface temperature soars to a staggering 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is 90 times that of Earth, equivalent to being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface. And if that weren't enough, the clouds rain sulfuric acid, a highly corrosive substance that would eat through anything we know. Venus is a stark reminder that even planets that seem similar to Earth can harbor environments that are utterly alien and hostile to life. Now we return home to Earth, our oasis in the vast cosmic desert. From space, Earth appears as a small, fragile sphere, a pale blue dot against the backdrop of the cosmos. But don't let its size fool you. This tiny world is teeming with life, a kaleidoscope of diverse ecosystems and billions of living organisms. What makes Earth so special? It's the only planet we know of that harbors liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Our atmosphere, a delicate balance of nitrogen, oxygen, and other trace gases, protects us from the harsh radiation of space and regulates our climate. And our planet's magnetic field acts as a shield, deflecting harmful solar wind that could strip away our atmosphere. Earth is a precious jewel, a testament to the delicate balance of conditions required for life to flourish. Our next stop takes us to Mars, the red planet, a world that has captivated humanity's imagination for centuries. Its rusty red hue, visible even to the naked eye, comes from iron oxide or rust that covers its surface. Mars is a cold, desolate world, but it holds tantalizing clues that suggest it may have once been warmer and wetter, perhaps even capable of supporting life. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars, gazing up at a pink sky as dust devils dance across the barren landscape. In the distance, you might catch a glimpse of Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Mars is home to Valles Marineris, a canyon system so grand that it dwarfs the Grand Canyon, stretching across the surface for thousands of miles. While Mars may be a shadow of its former self, it remains a prime target in our search for life beyond Earth. Prepare for a truly awe-inspiring sight as we approach Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant so massive that it could contain all the other planets combined. Jupiter is a swirling vortex of colorful clouds, driven by powerful winds that whip around the planet at hundreds of miles per hour. Its most distinctive feature is the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has been raging for centuries. Imagine a storm so large that it could swallow Earth whole, its winds swirling around a central point for hundreds of years. Jupiter is a world of constant motion, its atmosphere a tapestry of swirling clouds, storms and lightning. With its dozens of moons, Jupiter is like a mini solar system of its own, each moon a world waiting to be explored. Next, we journey to Saturn, the ringed wonder of our solar system. Even through a simple telescope, Saturn's rings are a breathtaking sight, a celestial ballet of countless icy particles ranging in size from dust grains to small mountains. These rings, formed from the remnants of shattered moons and comets, extend outwards for hundreds of thousands of miles, but are remarkably thin, only a few hundred feet thick. But Saturn is more than just its rings. It's a gas giant with over 80 moons, each more fascinating than the last. Among them is Titan, larger than the planet Mercury and shrouded in a thick atmosphere of nitrogen and methane. Titan is home to lakes and rivers of liquid methane, making it the only place in our solar system besides Earth known to have stable bodies of liquid on its surface. Our next stop takes us to Uranus, a blue-green ice giant that rotates on its side, its axis tilted at a near 90-degree angle. Imagine a world where the sun barely peaks above the horizon for decades at a time, followed by decades of constant daylight. Uranus's unusual tilt is thought to be the result of a cataclysmic collision with a massive object early in its history. Uranus is composed mostly of water, methane, and ammonia ices, giving it its distinctive blue-green hue. Although not as prominent as Saturn's, Uranus also has rings discovered in 1977, a testament to the ever-evolving nature of our understanding of the cosmos. Despite its frigid temperatures and unusual orientation, Uranus is a world of surprising dynamism, its atmosphere hinting at powerful storms raging beneath the clouds. Our final destination brings us to Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. This blue giant is a world of extreme winds, with storms that rage at supersonic speeds. Neptune's deep blue color comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light from the sun. Like Jupiter, Neptune has a storm that dominates its atmosphere, the Great Dark Spot, although it's not as long-lived as Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Imagine a world where the wind howls at over 1,000 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Neptune is a frigid world, with temperatures that plummet to hundreds of degrees below zero. Despite its distance and harsh conditions, Neptune is a testament to the diversity and wonder of our solar system, a world of swirling storms and icy beauty. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our universe. From the scorched surface of Mercury to the icy plains of Neptune, we've witnessed the incredible diversity and grandeur of our solar system. Each planet, a unique world with its own story to tell, reminds us of the vastness and mystery of the cosmos. As we conclude our journey, I encourage you to keep looking up at the stars and let your curiosity guide you. There's still so much we don't know about our universe, so many mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Who knows what wonders we'll discover next? The possibilities are as limitless as the cosmos itself.